Okay, folks, let's do a quick review of our trade of Riverbead Technologies, symbol RVBD. We traded this stock for 29% profit or $4,277 in gains. A very nice trade, which we opened up on October the 29th, and we closed out on November the 13th. So why did we decide that we wanted to get long of Riverbed Technologies? Well, for one, we knew that we had support seen back here at $13.83. From that point in time, we rallied up to $17.94, and that we were pulling back, and we had entered into a pennant formation as noted by these annotated lines. And on the, I believe it was the 28th here, we had reversed off of the lows, putting in a successful double bottom, reversed off the lows of the day, and put in a very, very nice up day on rising up volume. Very, very indicative of a stock poised to move higher. So I sent out an update to my members the night before. I said, listen, folks, keep an eye on Riverbed. We may make a move on it due to the reasons that I just described. Plus, there were a considerable number of shorts that were ready to get squeezed out of their positions. So fast forward to the 29th, we gapped higher on the day. We rallied up to the 50-day moving average, pulled back, retested the prior resistance level, which now is support, successfully rallied off of that level. To me, that was the green light to pull the trigger on the trade. I sent out a real-time alert to my members, notifying them that we had opened up a trade in Riverbed to the long side. The stock consolidated for 2 more days. What you saw here on the 29th and then on the 30th were doji star formations. Those formations in candlestick charting are signs of indecision, meaning that the trend was probably about to change, and certainly was the case because the stock skyrocketed 29% within only a few days. So you might be asking yourself the question, why did you take profits? This looks like a great chart. The reason why we took profits is because before we ever enter a trade at the Contrarian Trader, we always want to know where support is, like here, and where our resistance levels are, like here, where this downtrend line is, and also where resistance is up here. Why is this important? It's important due to the fact that you had buyers back here that unfortunately got hurt by this gap down. And they've been hoping for several months to get their money back. Finally, after 9 or 10 months, they've finally been made whole, and that large loss that was on their brokerage statement every month, they've now gotten that money back. They're happy to get it back. They're not looking to make money. They just want to be able to sleep again. So you need to know the psychology of what you're dealing with when you're trading stocks. It's not just about, here's a good stock, it got an upgrade and let's buy it. It's about learning the psychology. So knowing that there were sellers up here, I was ready to pull the trigger and get out. And when I saw the sellers come in at the highs of the day on the 13th of November, I sent out an alert to members, listen, let's book profits and move to the sidelines. Again, we had a 29% profit or $4,277 in gains. And you can see the selling as noted by this topping tail on the candlestick. This is a clear sign that you had sellers up here that wanted to be made whole. So it was a great trade. Congratulations to my members. Folks, if you like this style of trading, if it resonates with you, enter your email address on my website. You'll get trade lessons on how we trade stocks. You'll also get notified when we close out a trade and I do a trade review on the stock. If you're watching this on YouTube, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you're watching this on my blog, please like me on Facebook, as well as leave a comment below. Same thing if you're on YouTube, please leave a comment below. Negative or positive, as long as you're polite, I will respond to you. And that's it, folks. Have a very profitable week.